to sync audio with video in CapCut PC. This is great if you have got an audio track which you want to sync to your video in CapCut. Maybe your video doesn't have got the best audio and you have got an external audio to your video. So in order to sync your audio with video in CapCut PC, just open your CapCut application on your PC and then here you need to click on Create Project button. Once the CapCut opens, you just have to click on the import and then you can bring any video and audio that you want to sync with. Once you open it, you can also click on this plus icon to add to track. Again, in order to import the audio, you can click on import button again and you can import the audio as well. So let's click on open it and then again click on this plus button to add to track. Once you have done that, you can easily first of all mute this audio of the original video. For that, you can click on the right panel and select the audio button. So using this volume slider, you can also click to minus, or else if you don't wish to do that, you can also click on this volume button here of this track to mute the track. Once you have muted the track, you can easily customize this audio. First of all, let's customize it to the length of this video and then you can right click and if you see the option of sync video and audio, you can easily click on it and apply it. So here we have got the option of sync video and audio, you can click it. But before that, remember that you select both the video and audio, then only it will work. So let's click on sync video and audio option. And as you can see that it could not sync to our sound because there might be some issue for that. So without doing that also you might play this audio to this video. So let's do it. As you can see that it has already been synced. If you wish to choose that option, then also it will work, or else you can also mute it and keep as it is. So that is how we easily sync audio with video in CapCut PC. You can later customize the audio with the help of the audio features at the right panel. So you can increase the volume or decrease it, or otherwise you can also normalize the loudness, enhance the voice, reduce noise and many more. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thanks and see you in the next video.